All right, let's go ahead and talk about placeholders. Suppose I was inviting people to my birthday, okay? And I was writing a message to each one saying, hey Jake, you're invited to my birthday. Hey Mike, you're invited to my birthday. Hey Rachel, you're invited to my birthday, okay? Now, that's time consuming, all right? What if I could have a template in which the thing I would change would be the person's name? So it would work something like, hello X, you're invited to my birthday. Wouldn't that make my life a lot more easier? Well, that's where placeholders come in. Placeholders do exactly that. They're basically a template for any sort of word, any sort of number to fit in. So the way this would look like in Python is I would have a sentence and it would say, hello, %s, you're invited to my birthday. Invited to my birthday, okay? Now, once this is done, I can put anybody's name in place of %s. So I could say print sen percent any name I want. So, hey Avi, you're invited to my birthday. So if I hit enter, that's exactly what I get. So with placeholders, the concept is quite simple. They work with a % sign and then a letter. So S is for string, D is for integer, and so on. All right. When you want to place a value for the placeholder, you write % sign. So you write whatever statement or string it is. Then you write a % sign after that. And then in brackets, you put the values or value. Okay. So suppose I had multiple people. I have an array which has 3 people which I need to send this message to. There's Bob, there's Jake, and there's Michelle, okay? Now what I have to do now is send this message to each person. So what I can say is for I in array, print, right? And then send % the value. So what's the value? Well, it's going to be I since we're iterating through the array. So once I do that, I get hi, hello Bob, you're invited to my birthday. Hello Jake, you're invited to my birthday. And hello Michelle, you're invited to my birthday. All right. So this is the power of placeholders. Now, what if you have multiple values, right? That's something that I was talking about. So let's go ahead and modify our send. Let's say hello %s. So maybe first name and last name. All right. If we're doing more than one value, all you have to do is place a comma in the brackets. So you're going to say send % and then in quotation marks, let's say Barack Obama. So Barack, comma, Obama. So if I do that, I say hello Barack Obama, you're invited to my birthday. So that's how strings work, and %s is the placeholder for it. Now for integers, it's %d. For example, if I said I am %s, so that's my name, and my age is %d. So in this case, what I can do now is say send %, I am Avi, and my age is 14. So that's exactly what it returns. So this is the whole concept of placeholders, okay? Think of it as a template in which you can put multiple values or basically any sort of value that fits in that placeholder, all right? So there's %s for strings, %d for integers, and so on. Now, I know that I didn't have a lecture for this before, so if you've had any, troubles with the exercises, any questions or issues with placeholders, I'm there in the forums to answer them. But other than that, that's it, and I'll see you in the next lecture.